Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to check unfollow list on Facebook. Follow each step carefully to better understand your followers, manage your account and stay connected with the people who matter most on Facebook today. Let's get started. First of all, open the Facebook application on your phone. After the Facebook app is open, look at the top left corner. Here you can find the 3-line menu hamburger icon. Click on them. After that, scroll down a little, find the settings and privacy option, tap on it. Then click on settings. Once you are in the settings and privacy page, scroll down again, look for the preferences section. Under, find the content preferences. Click on them. After that, here you can see various options. Find the Unfollow button at the bottom section, tap to open it. And that's it. Here you can see all of the Unfollow listed there. How you can easily check Unfollow list on Facebook app using your phone. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped, please like, subscribe and turn on notification bell icon for more easy Samsung and Android tutorials.